Hello guys, this is going to be a setup of my DeckStation hooked up to my monitor. As you can see, I have it hooked up already. I did that off of camera. This is the layout that this would look like. There's the app drawer of my device, guys, as you can see. Next, you have me. I'm still scrolling through the pages, guys, as you can see. They're back to the home screen, guys. I'm going into the settings. You can change the DeckStation picture, guys. It's really cool. I really like the DeckStation. It's nice to have, guys, to get that full desktop look, guys. I have my gallery there, guys, as you can see. Brings it up full, a nice view of that. Next, guys, you have the notification panel bar over here, guys. It's like a toolbar, guys. It gives you everything you would need, like your Wi-Fi settings and all of that good stuff. There's your folders, guys. If you can see that, that is what that looks like, guys. You can go in there, find what folder you want, Then you have your YouTube. That's YouTube, guys. You can pull your YouTube app up. You can watch YouTube videos just from your cell phone hooked up to the DeckStation, just like that, guys, on a big screen, as you can see there. I was looking at a YouTube video, guys. You can type in what you want to look for. That's what I'm doing right now. You can find and search for what you need. There, you're back to the app drawers, what they call it. Back on YouTube. Back at videos, scroll. It looks really cool, really clean, really sleek. I like that look a lot. Let's see what else we can do here, guys. I'm just, searching around, finding things I can show you on YouTube. Just showing you how big it gets. Next, you have, I believe this is the settings area. You get Deck settings instead of regular settings. You also get the DeckStation settings, guys. Wait for it to load. I guess it wasn't going to load, so we close that out, guys. And it's back up. Oh yes, this is the gallery, guys. You can change your wallpaper on the DeckStation, and that is what I'm going to do right now. As we speak, I'll change the color, change the wallpaper, guys. And I like that a lot because you can do this and it does not change the wallpaper of your cell phone. It just changes the wallpaper when your cell phone is in the DeckStation. And so this is the picture that I want to choose, guys. So I will throw it on there. That's how that looks. It's real nice, clean. It's a wide, wide angle view of me. And then I clicked into YouTube on accident, but I click out of that again. I just got a notification, as you can see, guys, from YouTube. That's why it popped up there. I'm searching other things to look for, guys, because this is as new to me as it is to you. So, put it, there goes your, you can clear all apps right there, applications. You just hit that clear all apps button and your apps are gone. Back to the app drawer. Get all your apps right there in front of your face. Instagram. The DeckStation sometimes cuts off and tries to reload. I don't know what's going on there, guys. So if you have a DeckStation, please let me know what's going on with that if I'm not doing something right. So just help a sister out. I'm new to this. And we're back up. And we're back on the app drawer, guys. I love going there. I believe that is Facebook that I'm on right now currently, showing you guys. Typing in, what I want to look for on Facebook. Then you get I got another notification in it. DexStation keeps, like I said, I need your help. I don't know what's going on, guys. Leave a comment in the comment section below. We're back, and you also get this mode to capture your screen to where it's not like a desktop. It's just the screen of your cell phone actually on your monitor, and you can scroll it like that, guys. So I believe if you have a webcam, you can set a webcam up and have it on the side, and that way you're able to record your face and your screen. And I was just showing you guys around. Rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.